So unique.
What is up, you all? So welcome back to the vlog. Just made it here to Cascais, Portugal. Also, if this is your first time watching, go ahead and go hit up my Lisbon vlog. That'll be out before this one, because this is the second city that we've hit in Portugal. But yeah, we are staying at the chalet Ficalho. I'm about to walk up there now, but see how pretty the neighborhood is. I have all these bags right here, so let's walk up. This is the front pool area. I don't know how old this house is, but I guess we'll find out when we get in there. The gardens. I just want some love. I have the chalet dog.
You got your passport, your passport's up here. It's up there.
Definitely up there. Alright, y'all, so I came to come chill by the pool a little bit before we go walk to the main square, Cascais. I think it's like a 10-minute walk, so it shouldn't be far, but you know, probably go down there, get a little bit of lunch, go check out the beach a little bit. Beach might be kind of cold, so I'm glad we have a pool just because it's kind of windy. It's not a super hot day, but still the sun is out. Hopefully this pool water isn't too cold. Water's super cold, so I just put my feet in. We might be going to the beach soon. Okay, I sat by the pool for like 2 seconds. I think we're all gonna go downtown now. Probably catch it. Well, it's the hottest part of the day right now. It's 1 o'clock, so we're gonna go ahead and head to the downtown area, to the beach, check it all out. So let's go. This is my little cover-up outfit with the glasses. All right, so actually change of plans. They are going to a different beach than I thought we were going to, so, and that beach is about like 15 minutes away, and I was really planning on going to the downtown area, so this is where we split off a little bit, and we might meet up back at the Bocos do Inferno for like a sunset shot or whatever, but not for sure. But we're gonna have fun at the other beach. The innkeeper at the chalet, she said the other beach that they're going to is a lot prettier than the main beach. She said the main beach is a little bit more wild. Honestly, I'm like, I guess if it's a prettier beach, we did see a beach yesterday that had like, you know, Portugal beach yesterday when we went on our tour. So I really want to be more in the downtown area today of Cascais. first I'm gonna go get a smoothie at Oakberry. I'm trying to see where it is. I'm gonna get a smoothie first, head to the beach, see what the beach looks like, chill out there for a little bit, and then break and get lunch. The acai smoothie with strawberry, coconut, and goji berries. Chilling in Portugal. What's new?
Everything good?
Thank you.
So that's our Todayok Shirashi. It's a tuna berry tartar, wild summer roll, and cured egg yolk. Now we have the a bed of gohan. So we recommend you mix everything and eat with the spoon to take all of those ingredients. Okay, enjoy.
Thank you. Back in the room. I had to since we're staying in like this chalet, it's only like one key to the room, and I told y'all they had went to another beach, so luckily they came before they went to downtown Cascais to drop me off the key. I was finally able in the room. I was out sitting by the pool, and oh my gosh, literally the flies out there would not leave me alone, so I couldn't wait till they got back. But yeah, I'm about to just chill in the room. Prior to dinner, you know, still sniffling and everything, but lunch was really good. It's like the izakaya was a like authentic Japanese restaurant, so no hibachi. I mean, ramen is authentic Japanese, but they didn't have ramen either, so it's like you're really getting like true traditional like Japanese dishes. And I forgot what it's called, but the first dish was like a tuna tartare with the cured egg yolk. They had this little cake downstairs, so I just got a little slice of that. It looks like it might be pumpkin, because when we were at these other restaurants, when we were at our picnic yesterday, the jam that was on the table, we thought it was, well, yeah, if you have to go watch my Lisbon vlog if you want to see what I'm talking about, or if you already watched it. When we went on the countryside tour to Sintra, they had this jam on the table, and we all thought it was apple, and he was like, no, it's pumpkin. And you literally could not taste that it was pumpkin. It was really good. It was like a spiced jam, but he said pumpkin is in season right now, of course, because it's getting into the fall. So I'm guessing this is like a pumpkin type of pie cake thingy. It looked good. Yeah, I think it's definitely like pumpkin something. It's good though. I like pumpkin pie, anything pumpkin. They also had another one next to it. It looked like it was like a strawberry rhubarb type of cake or whatever. I was like, nope, I'll just get the pumpkin one because I am getting dessert tonight at the restaurant we're going to. I specifically picked that restaurant so I could get that dessert. They apparently have a really good tiramisu, and tiramisu is like one of my favorite desserts. So it's like it's called Bugane restaurant. It's like a French, we would call it a European restaurant because they have a pasta dish, they have meat dishes, kind of more Italian on the menu, but it's not strictly an Italian restaurant. So yeah, definitely gonna be chilling for like the next 3 hours. So I feel like these lights are creating like that effect, whatever. But yeah, almost ready for dinner. I just put my hair, I have my mom braid my hair straight back, give it that shoddy look. For some reason, I just cannot French braid my hair back. But yeah, just wearing these earrings. I think these are like David Aubrey jewelry. I think that's what I got these earrings from. I've had this dress for a while. This is from ASOS. I'm just gonna do a quick makeup look. We have about 5 minutes before we're about to leave, so not really gonna put on too much. I took a nap. I'm like, should I take the risk of putting on a little bit of eyeliner? Do you want to take the risk? Actually, I might need to do this with the other mirror, but let me see. Okay, that one came out kind of reasonable. Let's see if I can do the same on the other side. That is the problem. I find the easiest way for me to do eyeliner on my eyes is to do like a downward cat eye rather than doing the flick up, because I feel like if you have more almond shaped eyes, then doing your cat eye more up, it accentuates it more. But I just never liked, I can never get my cat eye to look right doing it like that. But now that I draw my, basically I draw the line down and then I'll do a line towards the middle of my eye outward so it meets each other, and it makes it way easier to do a cat eye. Like I'm literally gagging that I was able to do this on the first try. It's crazy. So tonight's look, again, very natural, keeping it classy, keeping it demure, very mindful. Don't want to do too much like these other girls. Probably sit outside. Majority of breakfast is self-serve, but they'll cook your eggs however you like and the meat. To start off, I just got like a croissant. They had brownies out, I couldn't resist. And then some cheeses. I'm waiting for my eggs and bacon to come out. And I got coffee and a strawberry yogurt. But yeah. Definitely recommend this place if you come to Cascais. Very quiet, very serene. Just waiting on the rest of my food. Maybe you should sit.
It's okay. You just didn't have. You weren't even
I
sitting.
said that one got a little bit of spider web at the bottom. Just use this napkin.
That's what I was going to do. What do you want to next? I'll take scrambled eggs and sausage. Scrambled? Yeah. Scrambled and sausage. Yes. Okay. And orange juice? Yes. Yes. Avocado. I figured I'd get sausage since you got bacon.
That's no correlation.
No, you can have a piece of yours and you can try mine.
Who said I want your sausage?
We want to try everything.
She cooked my scrambled eggs just like I like. Not too hard, just a little bit wet. And I think it looks like turkey bacon. Maybe it's pork bacon, I don't know. But I like both either way.
How much is your Wi-Fi?
So just to give y'all an update, this is phone footage. We tried to make it to the 12 o'clock train, but it's completely sold out, as well as the 2 o'clock train. So we've been here for about an hour and a half. We were able to get tickets for the 3:48 train. So it's about almost 1:30 now. So just like 2 more hours to go. But we've just been sitting at this cafe. Luckily we have food, table. There's a place to chill until then. We'll be getting into Porto at 6:50, something like that. So, and our reservations are at 7:30 p.m. So we're gonna be rushing to reservations when we get there. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got at this cafe. So I got this chicken sandwich, just a basic chicken sandwich, mayo. Got this apple juice, and then they also had some ketchup chips, and I love ketchup chips. Usually this is like a Canadian thing, but let's see if it lives up to the same ketchup chips I like from Canada. So yeah, that's my little lunch. Also forgot to say they have 2 different types of tickets you can buy for the train to Porto. They have a first class train. Well, no, they have first class seats and then second class seats. And we asked what the difference was. She said there's usually less people in first class, comfier seats, all that other stuff. And for 2 people, it was only like €80. So I'm like, that's pretty reasonable. Let's just go ahead and get the first class so we can be comfortable. And I was like, you know, they probably have better bathrooms in first class as well compared to the second class on the train. So yeah, just waiting around. I'll show y'all when we get on the train. This is our train station. This is where I got the cafe.